Hello everybody, so today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I will show you how to answer. We need to use about integration by trigonometric substitution. So I will put about x equals to 3 times t. If we put this one, go in here. You got about 9 times t square. Number 9. We can do about factorization. Tan t square plus 1. We change secant of t square. And later that we simplify by ds. ds you got about 3 secant of t square dt. First derivative of tan t you got about secant of t square. So we put this one, go in here and here. ds we change by this one. This one you got about 9 times t square. Number 9, we can do about factorization. This one you got about secant of t square. The square root of 9 secant of t square you got about 3 secant of t. Now we need to simplify 3 secant of t on numerator and denominator. And now we just have this one left. Now we need to expand this one. Number 2 and number 9 you got about 18. So secant of t multiplied by tan t square and number 26. Next, tan t square we can change into secant of t square minus 1. This is about trigonometric identity. So we have 18 secant of t multiplied by secant of t square and number 1. Now we have 26 minus 18. You got about 8. Now I will concentrate about this integration in here. So about this one, I can put into secant of t multiplied by secant of t square. And now we can use about integration by parts. So I will put about u equals to secant of t. So if I do first derivative for the both sides, you got about du equals to secant of t tan t dt. dv you got about secant of t square dt. The integration of this one you got about v equals to tan t. So we have u multiplied by v minus we have du multiplied by v So About this one, I can put into secant of t squared minus 1. And now we have secant of t multiplied by secant of t squared and negative number 1. So you got about the integration of secant of t to the power of 3 dt plus the integration secant of t dt. Because we have the negative with negative, you got about positive in here. And we know that everything in here equal to the integration of secant of t to the power of 3. And then we put this one go to the right. So this one plus this one, you got about number 2. Later that, we divide both sides by number 2. And this is the integration of this one. Now we go back to this one. We have 18, so we will multiply by this one in here. And you got about 18 divided by 2, you got about 9. Plus 9 with the integration of secant of t dt. And now we have another number 8. And we have the integration secant of t dt. 9 plus 8, you got about 17. The integration of this one, you got about ln of the absolute value of secant of t plus tan t. And we put about c in here. About t, that is about this one. So we need to divide both sides by number 3. And we got about t equals to r tan of s over 3. So I will put this one to change for t. So we know that tan with r tan, you got about s over 3. Similar for this one. Number 9 divided by 3, you got about 3s. This is the end. Thank you for watching.